Good morning, students. Welcome back to G3 online classes. In our previous lecture or video, we have discussed about excretory system. That excretory system removes nitrogenous waste, carbon dioxide, uric acid, urea, ions, extra glucose, and other pigment also. And today we will discuss the important section of a kidney which is involved in the filtration of a blood, that is nephron. Nephron is the unit of excretion. In each kidney 1 million of nephron is present in each kidney. मतलब ये है कि एक किडनी के अंदर 1 मिलियन से ज़्यादा क्या हो सकते हैं, नेफ्रॉन हो सकते हैं. और ये जो नेफ्रॉन है इनका काम क्या है, ये जो नेफ्रॉन्स होते हैं हर एक नेफ्रॉन क्या होता है, जुड़ा होता है हार्ट से indirectly with the help of afferent and efferent arteriole. The afferent arterioles receive blood from heart with the help of fine networks of capillaries, and this afferent arteriole has wider pipe. And now you can see that there is a cup-shaped structure. That cup-shaped structure is called Bowman capsule, and in Bowman capsule there is a fine network of capillaries of blood. This fine network of capillaries of blood, from these capillaries the filtrate come into Bowman capsule, and this Bowman capsule has pores, and then that filtrate comes into nephron, and that is called nephron filtrate. अब बात करते हैं आपके इफ्रेंट आर्टियोल की. जो इफ्रेंट आर्टियोल्स है, इट हैज लेसर डायमीटर एंड ड्यू टू द प्रेशर फर्दर the particle which having small sizes come under into nephron by the process of filtration, and that process is called ultrafiltration, because pressure is helping to remove out waste product from the blood, and the purified blood comes into efferent arteriole, and efferent arterioles coils around the nephrons to its various parts. We will discuss these various parts one by one. अब बात करते हैं why it is entangled around the nephron part, because there are some useful products filtrate from nephron into the PCT into the nephron, and these important products are required for the body for the homeostasis. That's why they are reabsorbed with the help of these arterioles, the part of efferent arterioles. Now we will discuss the components of nephron. Now you can see that there is a cup-shaped structure. That head is called Bowman capsule, and that Bowman capsule, from the base of the Bowman capsule there is a tube arise which is highly coiled, and this highly coiled region is called PCT region, proximal convoluted tubule. We will discuss its role. Now this loop straight and make a U-shaped structure, and that a U-shaped structure is called loop of Henle. It is also involved in reabsorption. Then it extend and further coiled, and that further coiling is called distal convoluted tubule. It is also involved in selective reabsorption, and after that there is a common tube that is called collecting duct. This collecting duct collects nephron filtrate and finally convert it into urine. अब बात करते हैं the PCT region involves in the selective reabsorption. The ions such as glucose, bicarbonate ion, and some urea and ions are reabsorbed from PCT region. For example, potassium है, hydrogen है. You will discuss in higher classes details of selective reabsorption. Now loop of Henle is involved in the absorption of water, and then DCT region, here also selective reabsorption take place of ions, and after that collecting duct receive unwanted waste product, nitrogenous waste and water. Here you can say that if in our body the water concentration, you can say that water is present in less amount, then from this collecting that the excess water is reabsorbed and supply back into the blood. And it depends upon the ADH hormone, antidiuretic hormone, or you can say that vasopressin. You will discuss about hormones in hormonal chapter in details. Now I will told about ADH, role of ADH in it. If in our body if we will take excessive fluids such as water, juices, then the ADH hormone is not secreted by the brain. But in the deficiency of fluids in our body, then ADH is secreted from brain, and this ADH collect excessive water from collecting and supply back into the body and maintain the homeostasis of the body and pressure of blood inside the body or arteries or vein. This is all about nephron. Now we will discuss some few points of nephron. You can say that one nephron, our kidney, for day 180 लीटर इज फिल्ट्रेटेड. आप मान सकते हो 180 लीटर जो फिल्ट्रेट है वो क्या करते हैं, हमारी किडनी एक दिन में फिल्टर करते हैं, लेकिन उसका 1 या 2 लीटर ही यूरिन हम क्या करते हैं, डेली पास ऑन करते हैं. बाकी सारा क्या होता है, बैक इनटू यूज अगेन इनटू द बॉडी.